Good morning friends. This is my fifth video, chapter 2. Today I want to explain you relation between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. So before we start this, first of all we have to understand that what is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial standard form is p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. Why? Because we want to make a quadratic polynomial. Now there are two zeros. We know that quadratic polynomial has two zeros maximum. So we can take alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Now alpha and beta are quadratic polynomial. So there is a one relation between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. Now so sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. It means between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to c by a. This can be explained proper by particular example. So first of all I have to find out zeros of quadratic polynomial. As we have seen in early videos that first of all we have to make factorize of it, or we can say by splitting of middle term. So 4 3s are 12. So factor of 12, that is 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. So if you will see properly, out of 3, one of the pair we have to select, that is 3 into 4. So 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Now common between these two is x. So in bracket I have to write 3x minus 4 plus 1 I have to make common outside. So in bracket I have to write 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the two factors of our quadratic polynomial. Now I have to find out proper way 0. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 by 3. And here x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So we can say that alpha is equal to 4 by 3 and beta is equal to minus 1. Now if we find out the sum of zeros, so alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1. We have to take the LCM of it for simplify. So 3 over LCM. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. It means sum of zeros is 1 by 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3. Now if we compare with the sum of zeros, that coefficient of quadratic polynomial, now formula for it, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. Now if you will see that we have to find out the value of b from the quadratic equation. If you will see properly, here b is equal to minus 1. So in bracket I have to write minus 1, and as a I have to write 3. So if we simplify, we can get answer 1 by 3. So we have to find out the zeros. That is alpha plus beta, sum of zeros, 4 by 3 minus 1. We simplify it, we can get alpha plus beta 1 by 3. And by using the coefficient of the quadratic polynomial, again alpha plus beta minus b by a is equal to 1 by 3. So if you compare these, we can get same answer. So now we have to understand that if it's a one type of question. Question is like that: find out the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. This is an example. E of x is equal to 3x square minus x minus 4. Again we have to make a prime factor. Out of one of the factor is suitable at here, that is 4 into 3. So 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. If we simplify, x equal to 4 by 3 and x equal to minus 1. Now we have to find out sum of zeros. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta, 4 by 3 minus 1. If we simplify, we can get answer 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3. Now using the sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta minus b by a is equal to minus in bracket minus upon 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3. Now same thing, alpha, that is product of zeros, alpha into beta c by a, or we have to say alpha into beta, that is zeros, product of zeros. So alpha into beta, that is 4 by 3 multiplied by 1. We can get answer minus 4 by 3. Now according to the formula, alpha into beta, that is c by a. Now if we will see c by a, so we have to find out c, that is minus 4. So I have to write minus 4 and I have to write the a, value of a is 3. So I have to write 3 at here. Again we compare that alpha into beta is minus 4 by 3. Again alpha into beta c by a is again minus 4 by 3. So that is one example related with the relation between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomial. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where again a not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then we cannot say it's a quadratic polynomial. And we know that quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros. So alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Again, sum of zeros formula is alpha plus beta minus b by a. Product of zeros, alpha into b to c by a. Now we can see some more example related to this relation. So again one more example that I have to write at here, and again we have to verify that it is correct or not. So x square, now one example is p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. It's an example of 10 standard textbook. Again factor of 10, that is 5 into 2. So we can now understand properly that we have to write 5x 2x into 10. If I have to make common, then x plus 5 and plus 2 common, x plus 5. So two factors we can say, x plus 5 and x plus 2. Now x plus 5 and x plus 2. So x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 2. Now sum of zeros. So alpha is equal to minus 5 and beta is equal to minus 2. Now alpha plus beta, that is minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 7. Now according to the relation alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. Now if we have to find out b from the quadric polynomial, b is at here 7. So minus 7 upon a, here a is equal to 1. So we can get minus 7. So alpha plus beta, by adding zeros we can get minus 7. Alpha plus beta, by using the coefficient of quadric polynomial minus b by a, we can get minus 7. Now alpha into beta, that is minus 5 multiply by minus 2, we can get plus 10. Again alpha into beta, by using coefficient, that is c by a. So we have to find out c and a. So c is 10 and a is 1. So again 10 by 1, we can get answer 10. So there is one more example, gives the relation between zeros and coefficients of quadric polynomial. X square plus 7x plus 10. There are two zeros, x plus 5 and x plus 2. It's a factor. We can say zeros, that is alpha is equal to minus 5 and beta is equal to minus 2. Now sum of zeros, if we will say that minus 7, and by using the formula, that is relation of coefficients, that is sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. If we will put value minus b by 8 here, we can get same answer, minus 7. Same thing, alpha into beta, we can do minus 5 multiplied by minus 2 plus 10. In alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, c by a, 10 by 1 is equal to 10. Clear? So that is a relation between zeros and coefficient of quadric polynomial.